We are in the world of controls engineering, design, assembly, engineering and programming of panels that typically go into like UL 508A applications. What's different about us is that most people come to Phoenix and find a solution for something that they make repetitive. We come and we're going to help get the tools that will apply to this application. And now we got this application over here, which is completely different. Now we need this set of tools.
We use a lot of Phoenix Contact products, from terminal blocks to power supplies, Ethernet switches, safety relays, single conditioners, and of course the PLC Next platform. And then also the M-Guard has been a neat thing for us, especially in the recent years with COVID and not having access to our customers and being able to go on site. That M-Guard allows us a secure way to get in, make changes, and keep our customers running.
We're always all over the map. I mean, our customers change, and so we do markets everywhere from aerospace and defense to standard industrial and factory automation. We've helped local museums do better interaction on some of their art exhibits. We build test equipment for the nationally recognized test labs. We need different tools for different things, and like the Phoenix catalog, they're so rich with parts. They help us fill in all the holes and gaps that we need.
It's really the breadth of product with Phoenix Contact that keeps us engaged. The variety of products that Phoenix Contact offers is second to none.
We go where our customers take us in their applications. And at any given time, even now, we've got about 6 different unique applications in our shop. And when we go to do a design, we need kind of a versatile product line that allows us to pull panels together. A lot of times customers will come with a lot of key components we have to use, but we're in charge of everything else. And because of the depth of the Phoenix catalogs, we can find everything we kind of need to really, as I say, glue the panel together.